to speak to or your attorney. Do you understand? All right, you may step down. If you leave the microphone behind, please. State, call your next witness.
State calls Holly Wharton.
All right. Does anyone need a short break or no? All right, so before you call your witness, we're going to take a 15-minute break and I'll have you all come back. All right, remember my previous rulings. You are not allowed to discuss anything that you've heard about this case. Everything that you need to know about this case is to come from inside the courtroom. Everyone, please rise for the jurors. All right, everyone, please be seated.
We use for the 15-minute judge.
Yes.
Okay, just make sure.
But Rick, you're here. Can Norma see if Norma can text them and see if they're ready to do the plea on Gregorio Cantu?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh no, who's the? All right, is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you bring them out and then they need Gregorio Cantu? Sure. And who else needs someone? All right, is he in custody?
He is, Your Honor.
All right, they're gonna bring them up and then we'll take care of them and then. All right, and where's the paperwork on Hesbrook?
Right here, Mandy. I have them right here. I haven't yeah, we have a.
One in custody.
Where, who is it?
Mr. Michael, John Martinez.
All right, if you'll have him come up. And Norma, see if Victoria, if they're there. And I'm sorry, your client's name again, sir? Let me see if I have his paperwork. I don't have that, the paperwork for him.
Wow.
All right, could I have the file on Martinez, please? Thank you. All right, Mr. Martinez, today is your plea deadline date. So are you requesting a jury trial or a bench trial?
We are requesting a jury trial round. Just for the court information. Let me see. We still may have an opportunity to work this out as it comes to trial, but we understand the great process is we're not at yeah.
All right, so what I can tell you is your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. Do you understand?
Well, Judge, the only thing I would ask since the case is an open trial having an issue with the rest of the
All right, Ms. Ferguson. This case is going to be recalled for Monday.
Okay.
Yes, the 21st. That will be your final plea deadline date. The court will not extend the plea deadline date any further. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Here's a key distinction: cell site data versus timing advanced data. Think of it like this: one gives you the general neighborhood, the other tries to narrow it down to the street. But the witness just admitted not every record is precise. So while the prosecution paints a picture, the defense could argue, hey, it's more like a blurry sketch.
You want to come up to Be late. You're about to take break because we're also taking a break and Ray wants to do it.
All right, so Can he be sworn in and then we'll take him up?
Yes, Your Honor, Ray's coming right up. Get over, move over, move over, move over.
All right, while that's being done, who is here on Gregorio Cantu?
He's in the box, Judge.
All right. Is this an application?
It is not, Your Honor.
All right, let's bring him up. And then I'll take Consolata. And once your guy's sworn in, I'll take him up. Court is calling 2022 CR 11226, 2022 CR 11225, State versus Gregorio Cantu. Can I have parties announced for the state? Defense?
Your Honor, good afternoon. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Mr. Cantu.
Are you Mr. Cantu?
Yes.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, sir, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Mr. Cantu, in each cause number, did you review the court's admonishments and waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
In each cause number, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Gregorio, has anyone threatened you, Mr. Cantu, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The cases will run concurrently and there are no applications. What I can tell you, if the court finds that a weapon was used, the court will enter a finding of an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Do you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motion?
There have, Your Honor.
Then in each cause, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State in each cause number, any evidence to support the defendant's guilty plea.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments in both cases respectively, Your Honor.
No objection, Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it
Yes.
in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will.
All right, now the story shifts to Tyler's alibi. He claimed he was at a bar, and sure enough, the cell towers back him up. So here's the million-dollar question. If the phone really shows him at the bar, how strong is the state's case? Or are they about to drop a bombshell showing he moved closer to the crime scene?
After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, yes, we're asking for that, Judge.
All right. Mr. Cantu, why would you do such a thing?
I do.
Yes, why would you do this?
Just try to end the world.
I'm sorry, what?
Try to end the world.
All right, so does he need to be evaluated for sanity?
Your Honor, it's been done. He has been rehabilitated, and this was our first hearing to come back. We discussed the different options, and it's Mr. Cantu's wish to go forward, begin the process of putting this behind him, considering the length of time this has been, that he's been waiting for this. And we appreciate the courtesy extended by the state in this generous offer.
So everybody believes he's competent and that he wasn't insane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Then in each cause number, the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. The cases run concurrently. In each cause number, there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, a $2,000 fine, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. And each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification. I'm sorry. And in each cause number, there should be no contact with the complainants. In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, sir. When you are, excuse me, sir, when you're released from custody, you need to make sure that you go to the Center for Healthcare Services, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Daniel Hesbrook. I'm sorry, they're going to trial, so I'm gonna do them very quickly, then I'll take you up. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 004123 State versus Daniel Michael Douglas Hesbrook. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Raymond Martinez for Mr. Hesbrook.
And are you Mr. Hesbrook?
Yes, sir.
Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Honor. Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hesbrook, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I have, Judge.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We did.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we will be proceeding the lesser included offense of harassment.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Additionally, Your Honor, we will be waiving the repeat offender enhancement.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Hesbrook, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included of enhancement as as a Class B misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to 180 days in the Bear County Jail and up to $2,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Hesbrook, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Certainly,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the Bear County Jail. There's a $500 fine, no applications. State is taking in consideration 2025 CR 004122, and there's to be no contact with Adriana Lopez. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
That is the plea, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions? Then to the offense of harassment, how do you plead? State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, state offers into evidence, State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection.
State, have you spoken to the complainant?
Yes, and she is present. She'd like to give victim impact statement after this system.
All right, Mr. Hesbrook, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you to confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 180 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 CR 004122, and there's to be no contact with Adriana Lopez. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal
Yes,
with
ma'am.
your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
40.
You're 40. All right. Do you have any children with her?
Negative.
All right. Do you have any property with her? All right. So here's the thing. She doesn't want anything to do with you anymore. This relationship didn't work out. Move on. She doesn't want you. Don't call her. Don't contact her. Don't pick up the phone. Don't send roses saying you're sorry. Don't do any of that. She no longer wants to be in a relationship with you. Move on.
Thank you.
All right.
May I approach him?
Yes. I know he needs to be invited. They want to step. You, what are they going to do? All right, thank you. Message received, not needed, but thank you. Take care.
And there it is, the pivot. At 2:01 a.m., the phone switches towers, and suddenly it's pinging near the crime scene. This is the prosecution's smoking gun moment. But here's where I want you to weigh in. Do you think cell tower data alone is enough to place someone at the scene of a crime? Or should juries demand more concrete evidence?
So you want a bond set, is that correct?
I was hoping, yes, Your Honor.
All right, have you conferred with the state on a bond amount or no?
We did not confirm a bond amount. I did kind of give them an update in the past, but we didn't discuss an actual bond amount. We would just ask that the court actually not reinstate, but do the same original bond amount, because he was remanded without bond, more for not checking in with pretrial services, not because of any new offenses or any other issues with being
All right.
involved.
Court is calling 2025 CR 005770 State versus Christopher Patrick Consolata. Can I have parties announced?
For the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Lauren Lupton from Mr. Consolado.
And are you Mr. Consolata?
Yes, Your Honor, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you? And where are you from with that accent?
Oh, Judge, I'm from, I'm not fried, I'm in New York originally, I'm in '05, yeah, good to meet
I
you.
was thinking New York, maybe Boston, I'm not sure.
Yeah, came in '05, brother, was Air Force, how are you, Your Honor?
Doing great.
I'm willing to do anything, I'm willing to take that, if you can get that bond, it'd be greatly appreciated. I know I'm not supposed to talk.
Well, not until you're sworn in.
Oh,
but
sorry, Judge.
Nice accent,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
You know, you don't know unless somebody tells you, right?
yeah,
All right, so this defense is requesting a bond. And what amount are you requesting?
I am requesting what the original bond amount was, which I'll be honest, I don't recall, but I do think I included in my motion.
Okay,
I think I would like to say $5,000. Mr. Consolado does not currently have a job. He lives with his elderly mother that is on a fixed income, and she would be the one paying the bond. She needs him to help care for her. She's in her 80s, I believe.
and what is his criminal history?
He does have criminal history, a few controlled substances, I believe.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, sir?
yes, man.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God, Judge.
All right, you can lower your hand. Have you ever received any type of diagnosis for any type of mental health issues?
Judge, no.
Have you ever been on any type of medications for mental health?
None.
All right. And the reason why I'm asking, because they do have special needs listed. Have you ever used drugs in the past?
No, just smoke. No.
Okay, so here's the
Oh,
thing.
yeah. Oh.
No, I need you to calm down. I'm saying things like in the past because whatever is involved in your case, I really don't want information about that because
Right.
whatever defenses your attorney may or may not have. So, but you need to be honest with me because if I believe that you're not being honest with me,
Yes.
then your bond amount may reflect that. So, have you ever used any type of drugs in the past?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what would that be?
Methamphetamine.
All right. And in the past, how often were you using?
Not very much.
What does that mean?
Like maybe once a month, not constant, twice.
I haven't heard of people using meth once a month when they're using
maybe,
regular.
Not a heavy user, but like.
Okay, so here's the thing. Let me decide that.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, so how often were you using? Just be honest.
Yeah, weekly.
Weekly. Okay, see,
Yeah.
that wasn't hard.
Nah,
So meth weekly, what else?
that's about it.
All right.
Yeah,
Now, are you employed?
not now.
When's the last time you had employment?
Maybe about 2 or 3 years ago.
Doing what?
I was in maintenance for the school district.
All right, and do you have a savings account or any money in savings?
No, I don't, not at the time, Judge.
All right. Any questions?
No questions. The state does have a recommendation.
All right, and the court will see that his previous bond was, I believe, 8,000.
The state would ask for a conservative double the original bond, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Consolado,
Yes,
part of my setting your bond is to make sure that you will appear and that you will follow through on your conditions.
absolutely.
The reason why you're here is because previously you didn't follow through on your pretrial conditions. So to set your bond again at $8,000 would not be appropriate because you've already failed to follow through
Right.
at 8,000. So it is going to be increased. Do you understand?
I'm willing to do it this time, Judge.
Okay.
Absolutely, whatever, whatever you suggest, like a glass.
All right, we're gonna set his bond at 16,000. There's gonna be a referral to intensive outpatient treatment. That's gonna be through pretrial services. I'm gonna ask that the fees be waived. And also there is going to be a regular UAs, and I'm gonna ask that fees be waived. And there is going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And there should be no employment with minors or at a home healthcare facility or the elderly or as a home healthcare provider. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have him recalled back for discovery. Norma? All right. We're recalling this back on August